Good morning, it's my birthday. Good morning. Let's start this freaking birthday vlog, my first one of many. For now it's only 7:30. My battery died. Oh, I made myself brekkie. Weetabix with yogurt, cinnamon and grapes. So I will watch some YouTube and wake up. I'm up, I'm out of bed, I'm ready. Rachel came to say happy birthday and he's gone. Thank you. I will do a little workout. Okay, my camera is charged. I have an outfit on and I will go to the grocery store because tonight we will do homemade pizzas, and I will go to the store to get all the ingredients, and then I have my options out hanging here for later. I think I will wear this and maybe this for another night. I really like this top. It's new, so cute. So yeah, now first let my hair dry like this and go to the grocery store to pick everything up. Okay, I'm back home. I have a lot. I will show you. The weather is so freaking nice today, so thank you God for giving this nice weather for my birthday. And I will bring the bags in. A lot. Okay, everything is outside. So like I told you, we will do pizza night. Some friends are coming over and we're gonna make our own pizzas. So I took like cauliflower crust and zucchini crust, and then normal pizza dough, some mozzarella, some greens. We have a lot of greens and veggies in the fridge already, so I didn't need to take a lot. Some cheese for on the pizza and some meat. Then we have some dips for with the chips for as a snacky before or while we make the pizzas. So this is pesto hummus, and this is like kind of cheese, really good. Oh, and we have also mushrooms. Then this is my brother's favorite bread and my mom's, so I took it for them. My mom's favorite crackers I took. And these are my favorite cookies. Like, this is my favorite cookie. I ate already one. And this I wanted to try for so long, so I took it, I tried it, not the best, but okay. And then tomorrow we will do some breakfast, or tomorrow or Saturday, I'm not sure yet. So I took some things for the breakfast. I took grapes, blueberries, cherries, ginger shot, like a big one, so we can share it, bananas, green smoothies, because I don't have time to make it myself. Then and then this is my favorite. It's not the healthiest, but it's so freaking good, and it was in promotion, so it's a sign I needed to take it. Then my favorite yogurt. Really, if you look at the ingredients, it's like almost nothing, and the less ingredients the healthier and the cleaner. And then I took some pancakes. This is with spelt, I don't know how you translate it, but like with other not normal meal. And then we have chocolate chip pancakes. So big grocery haul, and by the end of the week everything will be out. Okay, I am ready. I have my hair a bit wavy, my sunglasses. Time for the beach.
sitting lonely in my room again, trying to find the words to say, but nothing comes out.
Een beetje goed wegkijken. En niet lang. Oh jawel, ook nog. Heel mooi.
Oh, misschien is dat ook nog mooi van langs hier. Haar benen komen lang. Hier waar dat ik zit.
Ah ja, dan is
Ja, hé?
Will someone look for me if I disappear? No matter how much that I scream, nobody hears. But I see the light from far away, it's down the line. Maybe I should not give up without a fight.
We are back in the car after beach day.
yes. Je is aan het uitlachen. Omdat je zo oud bent.
Nee!
Dat is een beetje...
Sunshine, you are the ocean to me. You are the sunshine, you are the ocean.
Little do you know. La, la, la. We are ready. We will go to the store because we decided we want to cook tonight for my parents. We'll cook something typical Albanian. That's the word I was looking for. So Diaza's gonna cook. I will learn the recipe and my parents will be happy if the food is ready. So little outfit for the store. Top with bikini already, short and Converses. Ready, and of course sunglasses. Good evening. I will do my skincare. I have teddy bear. Okay, first we had so much fun today, just a relaxing day at the pool. First breakfast and pool day, and then we went for the store to get some food because we cooked for the family. Like my friend cooked, she made typical Albanian meal, really good. I'm happy I tried it, goulash. And now I will do my skincare, go to bed, because tomorrow there is like a birthday brunch, so another day, another food day. So now I will make myself ready and go to bed. Good morning. I just woke up. My friend's still sleeping, and I think my parents too. My sister woke me up because we'll do outside an brunch today with some friends, so I need to prepare everything. I made myself ready. I have a little cute top on and a skirt, and then my brother's slides, but I will change. Okay, this is the table before and then after. Let's switch. Ta-da! So we have pancakes, fruit, ginger shot, green juices, then jam, then here's some space for on the homemade scones. Then we have all kind of things like yogurt, chia seed pudding, oatmeal, and Weetabix, and then cheese. So yeah, little girls brunch. We are back home from the store. We bought a dog swimming pool. Really cute. Because it's too hot for you. Okay? So I'm filling it up right now. Wait. Time for ring lights. Ring lights. Oh. Wacht ie. Wat dan ligt hier? Hopla! Okay, I'm ready. We will go out I have just pants, top, and I'm thinking still what I will wear for jacket, but we are going now and I will leave my camera here because I don't want to break it. Let's go. Good morning. It's the next morning. I didn't film anything yesterday. It was pretty late. I was home around 6. Okay, wait. I will do my skincare in the meantime. It was so much fun. I had the best people around me. My niece also came, my friends. It was a fun night. I will edit the whole video today, the birthday video. I'm curious how the vlog will be. I had so much fun the last couple of days. I felt so loved and so special by everyone who was around me, and another realized that I have the best freaking family ever. So thank you all for watching. Thank you all for my friends and family, of course, that gave me the best birthday again, and I'm feeling really blessed. So thank you girl, and thank you all for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you next week. Bye.